hid him 3 months. In verse 3, it says, and when she could hide him no longer, he's getting a little too big now. She took for him look, this is cool too. She took for him a basket made of bulrushes and daubed it with bitumen and pitch, and she put the child in it and placed it among the reeds by the riverbank. Yes. Pause though, right? She put the child in a what, right?
Canasta.
A basket, right?
Puso una canastita.
In Hebrew, the word is, what
En hebreo.
And in Hebrew, the word is teva, and it's the same word for ark.
Estaba
right?
como una arca.
That's not common at all. These are the only 2 times that word is used, is for Noah's ark and this. That's it. That's the only time it's ever used.
La única vez en hebreo que se menciona esa palabra, que en el arca de Noé y aquí.
So Moses is put into a little ark.
Entonces Moisés está puesto una
right?
chiquita
a little
arca.
ark. And not only that, right? What does she do?
No nada más eso.
A basket, or an ark, literally, made of bulrushes and daubed it with bitumen and pitch,
yes,
right?
Pitch.
What does Noah do to the ark?
Daub it with pitch.
This is to make it waterproof. He covers it with pitch. It's the same
igual
thing.
Noé hace lo mismo, mi hermano, para taparlo de que se haga, mi hermano, de que no le entre agua. Es pitch igual.
Noah covers the ark with pitch. Here she makes a little ark, covers it with pitch to make it waterproof. And then what does she do?
¿Y qué es después de eso?
Right? She put the child in it, and this little ark, right? The little ark that's going to bring about salvation, just like it did in Genesis, right?
Poner este niño, hermano, se en esta arca para traer salvación.
She put the child in it and placed it among the reeds. The word is suf, by the riverbank. And that's another interesting thing is, in Hebrew, it's not called the Red Sea, right?
En hebreo no se llama el
It's
mar
not called the
rojo.
Red Sea at all. In Hebrew, it's literally called the Sea of Reeds.
Se dice
right?
el mar de reed.
Reeds. Like reeds are, I'll draw it. Reeds are like, you know, on the water,
Oh, sí, yeah, okay.
that high,
Yeah, those sticks.
yeah, looking,
Plants.
with that little circle things at the end.
Es una mar de esas cositas que salen del agua así, mi hermanos.
Those are reeds, and that's
Reeds.
right, that's what Moses crosses, at least in Hebrew, right?
Es
In
lo
the,
que se dice en hebreo, lo que cruzan.
in the Greek version of the Old Testament, it says Red Sea, right? But in Hebrew, it's called the Sea of Reeds every time. Nothing with the color red,
En
right?
griego se dice sí, pero en hebreo no.
But look, this is kind of foreshadowing what Moses is going to do, right? She puts him among the reeds. It's the same word, right? Here's little Moses in the ark,
Ahora Moisés, la mamá lo pone ahí en la arca.
placed in the river among the reeds.
Póngalo, mi hermanos, en el medio de
But
los
here
reeds.
it's like a river of reeds, right? Later on,
un río de esos cositas.
later on he's going to cross the Sea of Reeds,
Y al
right?
rato él va a cruzar.
Right, so what
mar.
happens is, right, Moses' mother, to save her